Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your photos are blurry or low quality, then this video is going to be very useful for you. Today I will show you step by step how you can improve your photo quality using Google Gemini for free. Before we start, let me quickly one important thing. Google Gemini is not a direct photo enhancer like Photoshop or Remini. It does not automatically convert your image into HD, but it can analyze your image, understand it, and give you smart prompts and suggestions to improve it. So if you use it correctly, you can still get amazing result. Okay, now click on the upload icon or image option. Select your low quality or blurry image from your device. Now type this exact prompt. Enhance this image to high resolution. Improve sharpness, lighting and color, and colors. Make it professional and ultra HD. Now press enter and let the AI process your image. Okay, now let's check the result. Wow, just look at this. This looked much better than before. The image was blurry and dull earlier, but now colors are more vibrant. The image looks sharper and overall it has a more professional look. Honestly, this is real impressive. Now tell me the comment. Do you want to make your photo like HD? And will you try this trick or not? And download button. Here's quick tip. If you want even better result, you can make your prompts more detailed. For example, you can add words like 4K quality, DSLR, effect, cinematic lighting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I regularly share powerful and practical AI tips like this. Thanks for watching and I will you see in the next video.